This week, a customer asked for a white cake with black and gold accents. She specifically wanted black and gold sails and balls incorporated into the design. Let's make this cake with me. First, I prepared my styrofoam balls by taping the stems with floral tape. This ensures that the wires don't touch or expose to the cake. My customer requested a pandan sponge cake with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream filling. I made 4 layers of pandan sponge for this 9-inch cake, which is quite large. To assemble, I brushed each layer with sugar syrup to keep the cake moist, then layered it with buttercream. So I repeated this process until all 4 layers were stacked. When applying buttercream to the cake, I start with a thin layer and smooth it out with a cake smoother. Once you've done that, you can add more buttercream on top. This step takes some time as you want a smooth, flawless finish. If there are any imperfections, just be patient and keep smoothing it out. It's easier to apply when the buttercream is chilled, so I like to chill my cake for 15 to 20 minutes before I add additional layers of buttercream. As you can see here, I'm adding additional layers of buttercream to cover some of the cake that is still exposed in the buttercream. So I keep adding and I keep smoothing it out until I'm happy with the look. Now comes the fun part, which is decorating. So I applied black buttercream randomly using my palette knife. So I just add black buttercream, randomly in some spots, and then I smooth it with my cake smoother. And again, I added more black buttercream in some empty spaces for balance. To make the design even more abstract, I added a touch of grey buttercream. This gives the cake a bit of more depth, making it more dynamic than just black and white. after chilling the cake for another 15 minutes, I carefully trim the top to create sharp, clean edges. I find this is the easiest way to achieve crisp edges, so just use a knife to trim any excess buttercream from the top. For an elegant touch, I added gold leaf to the outer layer of the cake. So I added these gold leaves in random spots again. And finally, I added the finishing touches, all the decorations that I have, which is paper sails or paper fans, as some people call them. The black and gold balls placed on top of the cake and also on the cake board. And there you have it, a stunning black and gold abstract cake for Theo. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.